As you probably know, we are on the verge of a revolution in Ethereum, casually known as Ethereum 2.0. This update will bring many innovations to the popular protocol and with it, a solution to scalability issues. As you may know, lack of scalability is the biggest obstacle to widespread adoption. Remember that Ethereum carries out around 15 to 20 transactions per second, with a considerably increasing transaction cost. Poor transaction rate is due to the amount of time it takes to validate and place it on the transaction block. In this video, we will detail what zkSync is and what problems it will solve within Ethereum. So, let's get right into the video. Matter Labs developers implemented a new tool on Ethereum's mainnet, allowing users to transact quickly and securely. The founder of Matter Labs published an article in 2020 explaining that zkSync 1.0 was launched in order to fix unreliable and expensive transactions due to high gas fees. It featured a trustless L2 scaling solution to enable mass adoption of public blockchains. However, before we start explaining the main features of zkSync, we highly suggest you look at the description of the video where we've linked our Telegram news channel and our official website. This way, you will be informed at all times about what will happen with the release of zkSync 2.0. After this brief introduction, we will now explain what zkSync is and what problems it solves. zkSync is a trustless second-layer solution designed by Matter Labs, a team of engineers with a passion for freedom, blockchain, and math. The purpose of zkSync is to improve the scalability of transactions on the blockchain of Ethereum. It's designed to scale the performance of thousands of Visa transactions per second, TPS, to Ethereum, while keeping funds as secure as possible in the L1 joint accounts and maintaining a high degree of resistant censorship. Currently, Ethereum offers between 15 to 20 transactions per second. This poor transaction rate is due to the amount of time it takes to validate and place a transaction within the block. Therefore, zkSync has implemented various benefits. 1. Long-term transaction fees are as low as $0.001, with the power to each Ethereum 2,000 transactions per second and 20,000 more transactions per second on Ethereum 2.0. 2. Any transaction executed on L2, zkSync, can be transferred to any Ethereum users who can send, receive, transfer, and store tokens from their Ethereum and zkSync wallets. 3. You receive transaction confirmations instantly, completing your operations in a few minutes. 4. The commission rates will be paid in the same token with which the transfer is made, without causing problems with gas. 5. No registration is required to receive funds, and the new users outside the blockchain of Ethereum won't be charged. 6. It offers an intuitive interface, UX, and user experience that functions with any Ethereum wallet. 7. Smart contracts from zkSync can contact smart contracts from Ethereum. Each call transaction tree is atomic, regardless of the number of contract instances involved. Any DeFi project can be migrated to zkSync, as most of the existing Solidity code can be implemented without changes. zkSync is built on zk Rollup, a technology that implements zero-knowledge, zk, to reduce the need for space within the blockchain. It tests the validity of the set of the processed transactions. zk Rollup is an L2 scaling solution where all funds are held by a smart contract on the main chain, while computation and storage are done off-chain. The main idea is that instead of verifying each transaction separately, the transactions are bundled into a single item, the accumulation block, which is then verified, approving them all simultaneously. zk Rollup provides the following guarantees. 1. Validators can never corrupt the state or steal funds, unlike sidechains. 2. Users can always retrieve funds from the smart contract's zk rollup even if validators stop cooperating because the data is available, unlike Plasma. 3. Neither users nor a single trusted third party needs to be online in order to monitor zk rollup for fraud prevention, unlike fraud-proof systems like payment channels or optimistic rollups. In other words, zk rollup strictly inherits the security guarantees of the underlying L1. Given the correct implementation and validity that the protocol affirms, the funds placed in zkSync will have the same security guarantees as if they were in an Ethereum without any additional requirements from the user. In particular, users do not need to monitor the network. Private keys can be kept in cold storage. Validators cannot steal funds or corrupt zkSync in any way. Users can withdraw their assets to the main net, regardless of the cooperation of zkSync. Several mechanisms will be used to comply with these guarantees, detailed in the zkSync, shown as a reference in the description of this video. Security is, and always will be, the top priority of zkSync. zkSync stands out in the security and ease of use among existing scalable L2, thanks to the combination of cutting-edge crypto and on-chain data availability. zk Rollup, the core technology of zkSync, scaling solution L2 does not require any operational activity to keep funds safe. If we visualize the data table of Matter Lab and compare it with optimistic rollups, we realize that in terms of usability, the withdrawal time of Optimist is about 1 week and zk Rollup about 10 minutes. Another important aspect is security. zk Rollup is totally immune to the vulnerability of exploiting wallet keys. Still, these are not the only advantages of zk Rollups versus Optimist rollups. In the data table that you are viewing here, shown in 2021 on Vitalik.ca regarding rollups, it is mentioned that Optimist rollups have great advantages in terms of computerized EVM. So, it was said that in short term, Optimist rollups are more likely to win the general-purpose computerized EVM, and the collection zk is likely to win for simple payments, trades, and other application-specific use cases. However, rollups in zk will win in all used cases as the zkSync technology improves, including in the medium and the long-term run. The developers at Matter Labs wanted to design a tool that allows users to enjoy an unparalleled interface and user experience while ensuring scalability and reducing transaction costs. Next, we're going to mention several tools implemented in zkSync. 1. zkSync Wallet. Connect with your Ethereum wallet and add funds to the L2 and be able to view them, mint NFT, and add contacts. 2. zkSync Checkout. Create payment links to be able to receive payments from external parties to any Ethereum establishing stable coins, such as USDT, BUSD, DAI, and USDC, and even being able to receive in other types of currencies. 3. Alternative withdrawal. It is a way to send funds to Layer 1 without directly interacting with the protocol. 4. Wallets UX. First, such as Argent or Dharma, aim to provide a banking alternative to entire societies. 5. The revolutionary Zigzag DEX offers the ability to trade via zkSync. 6. During November 2021, zkSync reached multiple indexing and even partnered with Crypto.com, OKEx, Bybit, Chainlink, Blockchain.com, Covalent, The Graph, First zk Protocol Indexed, and Tenderly to allow developers to access scalability, security, and unprecedented innovation of zk rollups compatible with EVM. Finally, on February 22nd this year, the test version of zkSync 2.0 was made public for multiple users to start testing and view the speed of swap executed in a transaction. Detailed steps to test it can be found in the zkSync Discord section testnet at testnet-tips-zkSync-2, and you can access various real-life use cases just by going to their portal at zkSync.io and go to ZK Tools. You can also access all the tools mentioned above. The implementation of 2 layers on the main network of Ethereum is getting closer every day, and although the goal of the developers of Matter Labs are very ambitious, it is true that we are already in a testnet zkSync 2.0, which we can test and see the great potential of transaction time. According to Glukowski, zkSync can progressively and steadily increase transaction processing speed and capacity thanks to its amazing features. We have no doubt that zkSync will give a lot to talk about throughout this implementation process to Ethereum 2.0. We hope you have enjoyed our explanation of zkSync. If so, feel free to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any concerns or questions, please leave a comment. We will be happy to answer. To find out more about the projects that will be highlighted, just join our Telegram news channel that we have left in the video description and visit our website. It is the best place to reach us. Thank you for having endured until the end. See you in the next video.